Her şey sıradan bir trafik kontrolüyle başladı. Polisler sadece ehliyet sorup yollarına devam edeceklerini düşünüyorlardı. Ancak saniyeler içinde başlayacak o dehşetten ve saatler süren devasa bir insan avından tamamen habersizlerdi.
3486.
Good.
John Sam Charles 4504. John Sam Charles 4504. 250 in Eastlick.
Got to come back to a Carrion Delaney out of Louisville to 2014 Dodge, starts blue in color. Started 11/26.
Hello, how are you? Hey, oh wow.
Yeah, I know.
No worries. Hey, just following the car in front of you a little too close. All right.
I was wondering, because I know I wasn't speeding.
No, yeah.
Here goes my insurance. I don't have my driver's license on me. I don't have my wallet on.
Okay, what's your name?
Polis memuru kapıyı açtığında yolcu koltuğunda oturan bu adamla karşılaşmıştı. 53 yaşındaki Michael Decker isimli bu şüphelinin geçmişte kabarık bir suç kaydı bulunuyordu. Ve birazdan ehliyetsiz sürücüyü kurtarmak için polise karşı yalanlar söylemeye başlayacaktı.
Mickey Renard.
Nikki Renard.
Yeah.
Okay.
6/22/85 is my birthday.
Okay, where are you from?
Steubenville.
Okay.
I was coming out here to do a job.
Okay, who's this you got back here?
Oh, that's the dude that was doing
Randy.
a job.
Yeah, I'm just doing a job. Just take me
A
for
pet who's spraying for bugs.
Uydurulan bu absürt böcek ilaçlama hikayesi durumun ne kadar garip bir noktaya geldiğinin en büyük kanıtıydı. Ve bu konuşma sıradan bir trafik kontrolünü çoktan sıra dışı bir hale getirmişti.
Okay, gotcha. What's your social? Okay, do you have the registration for this car? Whose car is this?
This is, well, it's in my mom's name, but it's
Okay.
my, you know what I mean? We share.
Yeah.
Hold on, because I got
34 SSN.
19 note out in it.
What'd you say your name was?
Nikki.
Nikki. Okay.
Karen's my mom.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Got to come back to Mickey Renard of Louisville. It's
Looks like this one
2019.
on the 4th. Do you have an up-to-date one?
This is, I don't really get up-to-date ones. This is the only one that I gotten off of her.
Is it still the same company?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all the
Try
same
to find an up-to-date one. That way I can show you have at least proof of insurance.
Yeah, this was the last one that she gave me to put in the car.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know why they don't do that.
Do you have it on your phone or the app on your phone?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Let me call my mom. That's curse. She does. But it should still be the same policy number.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Mom, you don't have the insurance on an app or anything? The car insurance. Yeah, but he said that, because I got pulled over, he said that's expired.
Yeah, it expired on March 4th.
He said it expired March 4th. I know there's insurance on it, but I'm just saying the expiration date on here is 3/4.
Maybe can she send it to you?
Do you have it on the phone? Do you have it on the phone, Mom? I'll tell you all that. Yeah. All right.
She looking?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's definitely insured. We got insurance.
Okay,
Yeah,
gotcha.
that guy was pulling over to his mailbox.
They what?
He braked and got in front of his mailbox.
Yeah, I seen that, and it seemed like he got over soon. I assumed he pulled over in that lane soon, or
Yeah.
because you were so close to him, is
No.
what I was assuming.
No.
Okay.
He got over to pull over
He,
his mailbox.
Yeah, because I was wondering, I was like, why is he going on the other road?
Yeah, on down the other side. I got you.
In the Caddis.
Yeah, we're out by Tappan Lake.
No, Tappan Lake. Yes. Because I gave Randy a ride to do this bug draw. Mom, can you just look, please? Sorry.
That's all right. Is she looking for it?
She don't have it on her. She probably has it at home. She's not
Okay.
home.
All right.
Is there a way I can...
Yeah,
fax
come back
it
here and I'll talk to you.
or-
Yeah, that's fine.
I know, but that said March 4th.
You don't have anything in your pocket,
No,
do you?
I don't have nothing.
Is there any way she can send you a copy or have someone send you a copy?
Do you have one on you? Can you take a picture of it and send it to me? Yeah, for the dogs.
Who's the guy in the back seat? To you?
Oh, just my husband's friend.
Your husband's friend.
Yeah,
And his name's Randy?
Yeah, I'm not sure of his last name either.
Okay.
He just asked me to get his friend to ride out here to do a bug job.
What's a bug job?
Gave me $50 and
What's a bug job?
someone had bed bugs.
Oh.
I had to spray for him.
Gotcha. Okay. Nothing illegal in the vehicle?
No.
Okay. While we're waiting on that, you mind if I go through and confirm? Go ahead and sit here.
Yeah.
Randy, what's your last name?
Roast.
What is it?
Roast. Why am I being? I'm a passenger.
Yeah, I know. I'm just getting your information.
Oh, it's Randy Roast.
Brost,
ST.
B-R-O-S-T. And where are you from?
Mingo.
Mingo?
Yep.
And what's your date of birth?
9170.
9/1 what?
70.
70?
Yeah.
Okay. What I'm gonna do is a quick vehicle search. Okay, no weapons in here. Drugs.
There's no drugs.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna confirm.
What's your probable cause?
I don't have probable cause, I have consent.
From who?
Her.
Michael Decker, sahte adıyla Randy, polise hukuki haklarıyla meydan okumaya çalıştı ama bu onun en büyük hatası olacaktı.
So go ahead and hop out. Okay. Gonna be doing a vehicle search.
This door won't open. I gotta come back.
Okay. No weapons on you, nothing like that. Okay, you mind if I check you for weapons?
No, I don't.
Okay, go ahead and face the car.
I said no.
I understand that. Go ahead and take your hand out from behind your back.
I'm just.
Go ahead and face.
Stop. Get off.
No! Go ahead and face.
Stop. Get off.
No!
Shots fired. Shots fired. I need help.
Michael Decker silah seslerinin ardından arabayı kaçırırken geride kalan kadın hemen polisin yardımına koştu. Hem sağlık durumları için çabaladı hem de Michael'ın yakalanması için polise telefonundaki fotoğrafları ve bilgileri vererek aktif olarak destek oldu. Ve birkaç dakika sonra olay yerine ekipler gelir. Destek ekiplerinin olay yerine ulaşmasıyla çember daralmaya başladı. Kaçan şüphelinin izini bulan polisler için nefes kesen o sıcak takip anı işte böyle başladı.
Spikes are good. Spikes are good. 31.
Let me see your ass. Shots fired. Shots fired.
31 spikes are good. Spikes are good. 31.
Let me see your ass. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired. Shots fired. 41.
1720.
Shots fired again.
Michael Decker arabayı terk edip ormanın derinliklerine kaçmıştı. Fakat karanlıkta tek başına değildi. Yukarıdaki termal kameralar onun için kaçacak hiçbir yer kalmadığını gösteriyordu.
They're gonna get too close, I'll be out. Right?
Yeah.
They're on top
Yeah,
of
they're
it.
on top of it. They're on top of it. K9's being deployed. Alright, K9's deployed. He's reaching for the gun, guys. Watch him. It's down by his left hand. The gun's down by his left hand.
Off gun.
Copy.
Okay, we're making contact with them. Get that squad lined up as close as you can get it to us. Yeah, one shot fired from blue.
Michael Decker o gecenin sonunda adaletten kaçamadı. Bu tarz gerçek suç dosyalarının ve nefes kesen operasyonların devamı için videoyu beğenmeyi ve kanala abone olmayı unutmayın. Bir sonraki dosyada görüşmek üzere.